I'm Attorney Ben Schwartz. Today we're going to answer a viewer question from Mary in North Wilmington. Mary wrote in, she said, essentially, when you are suing someone, don't you feel guilty for suing them? And it's a good question, very insightful question, but I would have to answer the question, no, I do not feel guilty when I'm suing somebody. And the other attorneys that I've asked this question to have told me they don't feel guilty either. There's a couple things to remember. When we are filing a lawsuit, it's typically in a personal injury case. We would not be filing a lawsuit if there was no insurance to cover that claim for damages. In 99 out of 100, probably more than 99 out of 100 cases, we get all of our clients' medical records and send them out to the at-fault driver's insurance company or the at-fault landlord's insurance company and try and negotiate a settlement. And typically when we file suit, it's because the insurance company is not forthcoming with a fair or reasonable offer of compensation to get the claim settled. So when we file a lawsuit, usually it comes with a certain measure of frustration in dealing with the insurance company, and by filing the lawsuit, we're putting an end, to a certain extent, we're putting an end to pre-suit insurance company tactics of delay, deny, and defend. The other thing that I think is worth keeping in mind is that when we're filing a lawsuit, the cases that we take are cases where someone has done something wrong to cause injury to another person, whether it be a company doing something dangerous, or a drunk driver running red lights, smashing into innocent drivers. When we're filing a lawsuit, we're not filing lawsuits against people that have done nothing wrong. We're filing lawsuits against people who have broken the law in one sense or another. So no, there is very little guilt, at least on my part, when it comes to filing a lawsuit, but it's a very good question. And I think it's a question that a lot of people have, because you're really taught growing up that you're supposed to turn the other cheek. Sometimes turning the other cheek is not the thing to do. Sometimes you have to stand up for yourself, and that means filing a lawsuit. So there you go. I appreciate the question. If you have questions for me, my name's Ben Schwartz. You can send me an email at ben.schwartz@schwartzandschwartz.com. You can also post a comment on this video. I'll see the comment if you have a question that's something that I can answer sort of in video format on the air, on the internet. That'd be great. Pitch me your question. Let me see if I can give you an answer. Thanks for watching.